we'll start our next question. It is question number 36. तो क्वेश्चन है, which programming structure term describe the value that is passed to a method when called so that the method known what to do. The answer is an argument. ठीक है. The next question is 37. You have developed a prototype for your game, and you have gathered a group of people to test the game. Each member of the group has been asked to create and submit a list of suggestions and issues. Which term describe the suggestions and issues that are given to a design team to help improve or refine a game design? The answer is feedback. Okay. The next question is, Stephen has created a Zumbai class for his game. Okay. He would like the Zumbai object to be able to speak, run, appear and disappear. Which programming term describe the action that Stephen wants his Zumbai subjects to be able to perform? Then answer is method. Question number 39. Study the image of chair and their description. This chair represent objects or instances created using the chair class definition. There is an error in the chair class definition. Which statement correctly explain the error? Object created using the same class must have the same properties. Okay, this will be the answer. And the next question is, which programming term describe the variable that holds the data value needed by the method? The answer is parameter. Next question is 41. Which of the following is an example of selection structure? If else. Okay. And the next question is 42. Question is, consider the following example. Set describe to set a student 0 for each pair of a student in class. Add 2 student. Continue until the student in class are counted. Display a student. Which change should we make this example to correctly calculate the number of a student in class? The answer will be before line 3. Add if one student remains, then 1 to a student. Question 43. Which of the terms describe the issues that limit your ability to meet your goals, such as lack of tools or time? Answer is constraints. Question 44. Gino has created a wizard class. The wizard object class specifies the gender, costume, color and hat color of each wizard object. Gino has used 2 class to build 2 wizard objects in his game. He wants to have one male wizard wearing a black hat and one female wizard wearing a white hat. What information must Gino change in order to create a wizard class he wants? The answer is instances. Question number 45. The answer is, Natalia is creating a game. The object of the game is for player to get a cat to his toy in 10 moves or less. The game begins with the cat positioned at the top left corner of the screen and the toy at the bottom right corner of the screen. Natalia wants the players to be able to make the cat go 50 steps in one move by pressing a arrow key and go 100 steps in one move by pressing a space bar. The number of remaining moves presents key. The game will count down from 10 moves and display the number of moves remaining. If the moves count reaches 0 or the cat reaches his toy, then the game will start over. This programming component is needed to tell the program the number of moves to make when a specific key is pressed. That is an event for each key. Answer is an event for each key. Question number 46. Your game design team has developed the first version of your game and now you are ready to test it. Which choice describe the best group of testers you can use to test your game? The answer is several people with various level of gaming experience and no familiarity with your game. Question number 47. Your parents are rewarding you for the earning all as on your report card of increasing your allowance of $10 by 25%. You decide to put aside $2 a week to save for a new phone case. You have written a program that uses the following variable to calculate the amount of spending money. You have remaining current allowance equal to 10, increase equal to 25 degrees, saving equal to 2, spending which expresses the correctly calculate the amount of spending money remaining and should be used to initialize the spending variable. sorry, the answer will be current allowance plus current allowance into increase minus saving. ठीक है. Question number 40 is which programming team describes a combination of variables, value, function and operations which are evaluated and produce another value? The answer is expression. Question number 49. An event handler is an example of which type of programming component? An object, and the answer is an object. Gina has created a wizard class. She has used two class to build two wizard objects in her game. Which programming term describe the objects that Gina built using the wizard class? The answer will be instances. Sorry. If the next question, that is question number 51. Consider the following pseudocode. When a spacebar is pressed, turn left 10 degrees. Which part of this code segment represent the argument? The answer is left 10 degree. Question number 52. While testing your game, you discover that game is not keeping a score correctly. What is the first step increasing to correct the score keeping problem? The answer will be identify and understand the problem. And question number 55.
नाइट आउट स्टडी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन प्रेस करें